Hello and welcome back to the lesson. We've been studying the external environment, that is the external environmental analysis. Today we are going to focus on the legal environment. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to analyze the key components of the legal environment of an organization. So the legal environment encompasses the set of laws, regulations, and legal systems that govern business operations within a specific country or jurisdiction. And it includes both the domestic and international laws that can significantly impact a company's activities, strategies, and compliance requirements. And therefore, understanding the legal environment is a critical and also crucial for businesses to ensure they operate within the boundaries of law. That may also help businesses to mitigate legal risks and make informed decisions. So let us dig deep and identify the key components of the legal environment. And the first one is domestic and domestic. The first one is domestic regulations and laws. Domestic regulations and laws. Domestic regulations and laws. These form part of the legal environment. These are the laws and regulations established by the national government that apply to businesses within a given country. They cover areas such as uh, company formation, taxation, labor laws, consumer protection, environmental protection, intellectual property rights, competition laws, and many other uh, regulations and laws. Domestic regulations and laws. Then we have international laws and treaties. International laws and treaties also form part of the legal environment of a business. Now, for businesses with international operations, international laws and treaties play a crucial role because these agreements govern trade, the treaties govern investments, they govern human rights, intellectual property, and environmental protection across the borders. So when carrying out strategic analysis, it's important to pay attention to the international laws and treaties. 2, 3, legal systems are also part of the legal environment. Different countries have different legal systems, such as civil law, common law, religious law, and so on. So understanding the legal system in which a business operates is essential for interpreting and complying with local laws and regulations. Legal systems is part of the legal environment. 4, regulatory bodies. We have regulatory bodies and regulatory agencies. Regulatory bodies and agencies. Government agencies and regulatory bodies are also responsible for enforcing laws and regulations. These regulatory bodies can issue licenses, can issue permits. These regulatory bodies can conduct inspections and impose penalties for non-compliance. And therefore, when analyzing the legal environment, the analysts ought to pay attention to regulatory bodies and agencies. 5, judicial system. The judicial system plays a role in resolving legal disputes, plays a role in interpreting laws and setting precedents that it can influence future legal interpretations. So these are 5 key factors or elements of a legal environment. And the legal environment can be a complex and ever-evolving landscape that can significantly impact businesses. So by understanding the legal framework in which businesses operate, companies can mitigate legal risks, companies can ensure compliance, and also make informed decisions that contribute to their long-term success. So there ought to be a proactive approach to legal management, which is essential for navigating the legal complexities of the business world and building a sustainable and responsible business. So before we close the lesson, I'll give you a few questions for your assignment. The legal environment. 1. How do specific laws and regulations such as contract law, intellectual property rights, and consumer protection laws affect business operations and decision making within an industry or sector? 2. What are the potential legal risks and liabilities that businesses face when operating in a particular market, and how can they mitigate these risks? 3. How can businesses effectively comply with the complex legal frameworks and ensure ethical conduct in their operations? 4. What strategies can businesses employ to proactively adapt to changes in the legal environment and maintain legal compliance? I repeat, number 4. What strategies can businesses employ to proactively adapt to changes in the legal environment and mitigate and maintain legal compliance In our next lesson, we are going to discuss the key drivers for change. Bye-bye.